Let's draw this fun Tom and Jerry drawing together. Grab your colors and follow this easy step-by-step video. First, we will start with drawing the outline of Tom the cat. I'm using a black acrylic marker for this, but you can use anything you want. This drawing should be as fun to draw as it is to watch the real Tom and Jerry cartoon. So don't worry about any mistakes. Just enjoy the process. Next, we will draw Jerry the mouse. I ended up making Jerry bigger than Tom, but you can avoid this mistake in your drawing. Now it's time to color Tom. I will first draw the outline with color and then fill it in. This will keep our drawing neat and clean. Don't worry if you don't have the same colors, just use what you have available. I grew up watching these amazing hand-drawn cartoons, which were full of joy and adventure. Now it's time to color Jerry the mouse. Notice how these characters require very few colors. You can easily finish this drawing in under 30 minutes. And with that final touch, our Tom and Jerry drawing is complete. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. I post such fun and easy art videos regularly. Thanks for watching.